grandma's house was a great big feather bed. But it was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, stopped every down each ship. It was made from the feathers of 11 geese to go over the top of the ship. They all their kids were born on dogs, and they could do it to go from the shed. It was that much, but we had a lot of fun on grandma's feather bed. After supper, we stood around the fire, the old book and chew. Papa would talk about the farm and the war and resting about war too. I'd sit and watch the fire till the car went through my head. Next thing I know, I'd wake up in the morning in the middle of the old feather bed. There was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft edges and its shit. It was made from the feathers of 11 geese to go over the clock of the chick. Put it hold a kid around us, get a figure eight stole from the shed. We didn't get much, but we had a lot of fun on grandma's feather bed. Well, I love my mom, I love my pal, I'm grandpa too. I've been fishing with my uncles and running with my cousins. I even keep my own. But if I ever had to make a choice, I guess it ought to be said. Well, I tried them all, put the boy down the road for grandma's feather bed. I tried them all, put the boy down the road. Well, maybe not the boy down the road. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, stopped every down his shit. It was made from the feathers of 11 geese to go over the top of the stick. Put it on that kid and fall down, and it stole from the ship. We didn't get much, but we had a lot of fun on grandma's feather bed. We didn't get much, but we had a lot of fun on grandma's feather bed.
Wait, these two? Yep. All right. Hey, okay. Doesn't look. I can kind of hold it. We need something. Turn the world on with a smile. There's nothing to say. Suddenly make it all seem worthwhile. When it's girl, you should know it. Each glance and every little movement show it. 'Cause it's all no need to waste it. You can never tell why don't you take it. You're gonna make it after all. You're gonna make it after all. Have I told you there's no one above you? Well, my heart with sadness, take away my sadness. Ease my trouble, that was easy. All the morning sun and all its glory. Which is there with hope and confidence. And you fill my life with laughter.
If I get him out of the pool, then whatever they're at.
Gotta watch him going sideways though, man.
One good round, you just...
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one above you? Fill my heart with sadness, take away my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.
If you don't look at that blue pin,
I bought them that night.
use the corner pin. Yeah. Nice double.
Oh, baby. You have them like...
Ah! Dude, I'm changing. As soon as I get a I'm changing Minnesota. Yeah.
Cause somebody brought me night breezes through the whisper I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore trees. Dream a little dream.
Because they're kind of hot. It's hard to like figure out where
Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight, tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. Stars fade, but I am still craving your kiss. I'm longing to let you find me. Just a little sweet dreams till something's finding. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. Running your dreams wherever they be. Dream a little dream of me. Sunbeams find
Just throw front knees into this.
Not out, it's in, and I don't think it's right on my thing. Okay.
I never regret because I'm giving my easy to kiss. When you're in love, I'm happy to be whatever I do.
I didn't actually say that.
Maybe I'm a fool.
Way to play the line though. That was fine off.
Just don't understand. It's easy to live. And you're in love, and I'm so in love. There's nothing in life but you.
Right down.
Get another ball.
Look at you.
Look at my jacket. So like this, let's just say, what if I get a beer
Nice groove.
No. Okay, so now here's the thing. Like, I don't know. And here's the thing. Like, your 20 is gone. I was gonna say, like, I don't know if you want to like try and like record everything. This is great. Okay, well, thank you. I would yeah. You don't even need to. Let's see if I can like one of them like. Yes. Thank you very much for you checked all the way up there back for me. Thank you. He was gonna just bring 2 down here. But they said, like I said, what if I like want to get I'll give you another. Yeah, thanks, man. Guys, I really appreciate it. Patrick's good. It'll taste better.
Some that are broken, but I swear